Have you ever walked into a cluttered room and instantly felt your shoulders tense? That's not just in your head, it's science. Clutter doesn't just make spaces look chaotic, it actually triggers your brain's stress response, flooding your system with cortisol. And here's the kicker. Studies show that messy environments can actually rewire how your brain perceives comfort and control. There's a reason why scrubbing a stubborn stain or finally organizing that cluttered closet feels like a tiny victory. Your brain releases dopamine during these moments, rewarding you for restoring order, just like it does with exercise or gaming. Clutter isn't just visual noise, it's a mental burden. Studies show that messy spaces force your brain to work harder, making simple decisions feel like an effort. When you finally clear that chaos, it's not just about the room, it's a cognitive relief, and your brain rewards you for it. That's why these transformations feel so good. They're doing more than cleaning, they're resetting your mind. There's a reason why scrubbing a surface or folding laundry feels so good. It's not just about the result. Your brain is hardwired to find satisfaction in repetitive, methodical tasks, releasing dopamine with every small step forward. It's like your mind rewards.
Every swipe of the cloth or organized shelf is your brain celebrating order, and science shows this kind of structured action can reduce stress levels faster than most mindfulness apps. But what if I told you that the satisfaction isn't just in the result, it's in how your brain adapts to change? Every small tweak, every organized drawer or dust-free surface isn't just cleaning, it's rewiring your mind for efficiency. Your brain starts to recognize order as its new normal, and over time tidiness becomes effortless. That's the real magic, not just a clean room, but a